Yeah. Yeah, morning all. So before I start, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear, whether the screen is visible or not, right? Yes.
Yes, sir. Voice is clear.
Right. So in the last class, just I was briefing you, right? So in Python 1, there are three positions. Python backend developer deals with logic and flow of data, right? Front-end developer responsible how data appears, responsible for presenting the data, right? How good the data is presented on the page. Full stack developer is for bridge, acts like a bridge the gap between the above two positions, right? So this full stack developer, they are responsible for creating user experience for back end and front end portions of that. Means he is to have he has to have the knowledge on both back end and front end, right? Yes. Or the full stack Python developer, right? Okay. They need to have strong understanding of both the front end and back end development. They should design and develop user interface as well as create that maintenance the databases, right? So yes, a web application means that provides service over the web, like front-end technologies. What are the front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, right? HTML for presenting data, CSS for adding styles, Bootstrap for predefined styles, for adding dynamism to the HTML page. HTML provides only static response, HTML plus JS dynamic responses. To display data, to just displaying the data is a static response, but displaying the current date and time is it's a dynamic response. Static and dynamic static response means if response is varied from time to time. If it is not varied from time to time, like home page of an organization, home page of a bank, home login page of a Facebook, like this. If response is varied from time to time, okay, balance page of SBI, Gmail inbox. We are here, we have got four things in backend. Language like Python, which language like Python, Java, framework like that, which framework, and database, which database to connect, and IDs, right? Which IDs to use. Roles and responsibilities as a full stack developer, he has to develop and maintain the web application, working with the databases, working with the templates, front-end technologies, working with backend, working with web servers, logical and problem solving skills, right? Full stack development process of developing both front end as well as back end applications. So today my discussion will be on HTML, right? HTML. One second. Hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language, right? Yes. Observe. HTML is the major language, right? HTML is the major language of World Wide Web, right? www. Web pages. They are written in HTML. They are written in HTML and enables us. They enables us to bring together the text, images, videos, links, all into one place. So they are written in HTML. All the web pages are written in HTML, enables us to bring together the text, images, videos, links, etc., all into one place. So HTML, if you talk like HTML is a markup language. It's a markup language. That does the structuring and formatting job. It's a markup language that does this structuring and formatting job. So what is the full form of hypertext? What do you mean by hyper? What do you mean by text? What do you mean by markup? What do you language? Hyper. HTML allows non-linear access. HTML allows non-linear access to information. HTML allows non-linear access to information, right? Anyone can access. Anyone can access anything from what? What do you mean by non-linear? What do you mean by non-linear access to information? Means anyone can access anything. Not anyone can access anything from the World Wide Web. See, non-linear access, linear access and non-linear access. Linear access means, for example, if you are reading a storybook, right, from the first page to last page, linearly you will be reading, right? For example, if you want to read a Python topic, particular topic like functions, directly, non-linearly, you will go to that particular page and read only the topic, right, instead of going from the first page. So anyone can access anything from the World Wide Web. HTML code is simple text. It is simple text, right? Markup. Here tags are used to mark the information. Here tags are used. In HTML, we use tags are used to mark the information, right? Yes. Language. HTML is a simple language. So it's very simple writing, no need of any separate document or any software required for it. Yes. Steps in writing HTML code. Steps in writing HTML code. For writing HTML code, We use Notepad. Steps in writing HTML code. We use Notepad here, right? Yes. For writing HTML code, we use Notepad. Secondly, we want a browser, a web browser like Chrome, Mozilla, etc.
Edge.
That's Microsoft Edge.
Sir, browser is nothing but a compiler, sir. For HTML code running.
Web browser means how to open a Gmail, how you are opening a Facebook, right? In browser, right? Chrome browser. The one where you are browsing, right? Like a Gmail, Facebook. In the same way here also, just like in this DJANGO, right? As you are executing like Python code, it's not like that. Everything you will be giving the request in the browser, like Chrome browser, you will give the request. You are going to get the response, right? It provides the response. Next, like HTML, discussing about the HTML tags, right? One by one HTML tags. First one, like starting a tag. Generally, starting a tag within this angular braces, right? Tag name. Compulsory, whenever you open a tag, you need to closing a tag. Means whatever styles you are applying, right? From where to where. Whenever once you close the tag, okay. Tag name / tag name, right? Example. If you want the text to be appear in bold form, right? Just opening a bold tag. This is nothing but opening a bold tag. And if you say /b, see, HTML is not case sensitive. You can write in lowercase or uppercase. HTML is not case sensitive. Closing a tag. Okay, the first tag is HTML.
Sir, we have to only specify a tag in uppercase, right? Or
No.
we can,
Upper or lower, anything is fine.
anything is fine.
Every HTML code, right? Every HTML code should. Every HTML code should begin with HTML and end with /HTML. First one, what do you mean by HTML tag? It is not for any formatting or just this tag identifies. That the document is a HTML document. It's a HTML document. Secondly, there is a tag called header tag. For header information. for header information, right? It consists of title tag. Title.
What is the meaning of header, sir?
Title for the document. Title for the document. See, web page heading, what is that? See here, you will get some, if you give that, if you save this file, you will get some, the name of the file, name of this document. For header
Yes.
information means for document heading. Here, can you see this? Okay. For heading information, so specify the title for the document. Next is body tag. Whatever we want to display. Whatever we want to display, right? On the web page. Whatever we want to display on the web page, everything should be kept within this body tag. Whatever we want to display on the web page. Everything should be kept within this body. Everything should be kept within the body tag. Break tag. This is what? Break. To go to the next line. To go to the next line. Italic tag. I represent what? Italic tag. Text appears. Text appears in italic, right? Text appears in italic. Next. B. Bold tag. Text appears in bold. Underline tag. P for paragraph tag. Displays data in paragraph. If you want to write some comment in HTML, right? Yes. Comment in HTML, right? Yes. Comment. Hyphen comment for displaying the comment. Okay. Now let us see one example, right? Yes, everyone, you can do parallelly along with me. Yes. I'll just create a folder. Open one notepad, right? Everyone, you can open a notepad. To check, all right, with this, what all we discussed till now, what are the tags? Open a notepad and say first HTML tag is the first HTML and the header tag. Within the header tag, HEAD, right? Within the head tag, your title tag for specifying the title for the title. So whenever you have got head, you need to have slash head. Slash HTML. Sample web page. Head tag, okay. Body, 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 yes. BG color, COLO, all right. Body BG color, right? Yes, BG color, you can say some color. Body, just I'll come to that, but body, yes. Whatever you want, see, this is header tag, to just keep some title tag, body tag. Whatever you want to display on the web page, everything should be kept within the body and slash body right there. For example, Python is dynamic. Python, Python is dynamic. So I want Python in bold form and in underlined form. I want Python be in bold form. So just you B tag for bold and U for underline. Both tags I'm applying for it. Only Python. So class that, close that underline tag and close that bold tag. Close the underline tag and close the bold tag. Dynamic I want in italic, right? Dynamic I want in italic format. Dynamic I want in italic, what? Just you can say I end slash I end slash. I end slash I. Displaying something in italic format. Python is dynamic. Okay, bold. Python in bold, underline, right? Is dynamic. Okay, this. One is- Okay. Python in bold and in underlined form is dynamic, dynamic only in italic. Next one more like Python. Python is a general purpose. Python is a general purpose programming. So general purpose programming, right? Bold you got, underline you got, italic you got, right? I'll display this entire in bold. This entire statement in bold. Save it, file, save. Right. DAM. Save it, right? One web page, sample web page. Sample web page. .html. See here, .html, right? Any name you can use .html. Save. Okay, now we can just go and execute, right? Check where you are, where it is saved, right? Within the seed, right? The TM, right? Yes. You got in all my right. I can right click and say right click that, and if you want to open with Chrome or Firefox or Edge, and just open with Chrome browser, right? Yes. So Python is dynamic. You got Python in bold and underlined form. Python is a general purpose programming, that everything in bold, but these two lines in should be displayed in two lines, right? Yes. So here I need to use break tag to display in the next line, right? Here I need to use BR, right? Break tag to display.
Can you explain once?
Which one? Hello?
Running the HTML program, can you explain once? Your voice is.
So you are saving it, right? In you save it as .html and go to that folder where you have saved it. You will see in the Chrome format. The file appears in the Chrome format or any other format, right? Directly you can double click it, or you can just right click or any one browser you can select Chrome, and right? Chrome, if I'm selecting, you will get this.
Sir, for ease, there is
But it is showing in the same line, na sir?
So it is displaying in the same line. So to display in different lines, use this BR tag. It is not saved. It's not saved. Okay. Control S, save it. Now just I've saved it, right? Now just to go and refresh. So here you can see this refresh text like say circular arrow. You can see that this is for refreshing. If you refresh now, you can see in 2 lines, right? Refresh.
Sir, for ease, there is no starting and ending tag of how it is displayed. For
What
ease, there is no starting and ending tag.
for which one?
Is IS is.
Mm. So no need of ease. See, if you want without using any tag also, right? Yes, without using any tag. I won't use this tag. For the second line, you see, I'm not using any tag. Means nothing, no formatting is applied on the second line. It will display like a normal text. It will display like a normal text. Normal text, but I am not applying any formatting things, right? Like appearing in bold or underline or italic. I'm not applying anything. It will just display like a normal text.
Also, sir, what is the difference between paragraph tag and just don't apply any tag to this?
So if you want the data to be okay, just like a paragraph, you'll use paragraph tag. We keep p tag and it will display all the text. Normally, if you say normal line, single line, you will get. So here, p tag, paragraph tag, normal text, whatever you are keeping within the body tag, right? Whatever you keep within the body tag will be displayed on your web page. Okay, if I give p tag here, it won't make any difference, right? P/P. But tomorrow to this paragraph, only this paragraph to be appeared in blue color. Then I can apply this time for paragraph. For this only. Understand, if you got some 20 lines, only for this paragraph, which is within the P/P, within the P/P, I want to be appearing one different color. I can apply styles to it, the particular paragraph. Understanding? See this output, they won't even see any much difference. Paragraph. Hmm. Okay, understood, right? Yes. Next. But if you see the web page in normal black and white format, you can see, right? You are seeing in black and white text, white color background, black color text, but I want color. I want some colors to be applied to this web page. Hmm.
Sir, one more thing for the BR, no self clothing.
Only BR is the only tag where it doesn't require any closing tag. BR is the only tag which doesn't require any closing. Okay, okay. So before I go with this body tag. This body tag has many attributes. Body tag has what? The following attributes. For example, I want background color, BG color. What is that? BG color. Background color, right? Yes. For the background color of the web page. For the background color. For the background color of the web page. Second one is text. Text color for the web page within the text color within the web page. For the background color of the web page, text color within the web page. Now what I will do, I'll go back to this previous document. Yes. Anyone facing any problem that you can just intimate me here.
Sir, how we use the indentation like spaces for each line, the body?
No need of any indentations here. HTML doesn't have any indentation. You can start from anywhere. No indentation in HTML, only in Python we see it.
Okay, for our understanding, we need to use the spaces like body.
Now, however you want to use, you can use spaces. BG color, COLOR, background BG color, right? Background color of the web page is red. Text color is yellow. The background color, total body, whatever body means the web page, everything, the background should be red. Text color should be yellow color, right? Yes. Now just go and refresh now. Go and refresh after adding this background color is red. Keep in quotes, text color is yellow, keep in quotes, right? Yes, just to go and refresh. Now can you see, right? Yes. Background color red, text color is yellow.
But I have selected a black color for BG color, but it is showing me the green color.
You have selected
Black color
by
for the
default
background,
background is green.
but it's showing green in background when I refresh the page. And text color is the same, which I have selected the red.
Background color is black color, and what is the text color?
I have selected black color for background and text color is red, but it is showing green color in background.
Once share the keep the code in the chart.
Okay.
Our browser only understand HTML tags only, sir.
HTML is the major language of World Wide Web. And even if you want to add some stats, later we discuss about CSS, cascading style sheets.
So, but you are opening the browser and type something, and it is also response.
I'll discuss those applications, right?
Meeting chat disabled showing. Sir.
What is that?
Meeting chat showing disabled.
You want to share the screen?
Yes.
Now you can see.
Is my screen visible, sir?
Why you have given double equal to single, one equal to is enough?
Okay, sir.
Go and refresh.
Yes, sir. Now it's showing. Thank you, sir.
Stop sharing. Still anyone facing problem here? In execution? Okay. Now you see that text appearing in very small font, very small it is, very small it is. Now we have got heading tags for it. So I'll just copy this. The color of the text, color of the body.
Sir, even we not use break, automatically it is going second line, sir, whenever we type second line. Without break also it was working as expected.
Without using break, did you use P tag, paragraph tag?
Yeah, yes. Sir.
Paragraph tag means yes, by default you will go to next line. Okay, next.
Can we add image in the background, sir?
Yes, we'll be discussing those. Image you can add, video you can add, audio you can add, tables you can add, forms, frames, lists. All this can be added. We'll be discussing those. Next, before that, headings. HTML provides 6 tags. HTML provides 6 tags. HTML provides 6 tags for headings from H1 to H6. Bigger heading /H1. Smaller heading, right? Smaller heading. For example, go to that sample web page, right? Can you see that heading here? Header information, sample web page. Okay, now check this, right? I'm adding some headings to this. H1 is the bigger heading, H1. H1, for example, DJANGO framework, I'm saying DJANGO framework /H1. I'll just copy paste first 5 times, right? H1, 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 H2, and making this as H2 slash H2, right? H3 is little smaller heading, H3 and slash H3. H4 and slash H4. H5 and slash H5.
Sir, here also break not required.
Not required here. H1, H2, H3, or by default, H1 tag, P tag. We'll go to slash, it has got slash in behavior, right? So see this H1 to H6. H1 will be the bigger heading, H6 will be the smallest heading. Just to go and refresh. H1, this is the heading, right? Biggest header. H6 is the smallest heading. Okay. So biggest heading, smallest heading. This is the H6 is the smallest heading.
Sir, can you change that red color to some other color? The lights, I mean, it is showing too dark.
Where is too dark, right? Just you can check.
Yeah.
Mm,
Yeah, at least any other color, that's fine.
DJ, take some light colors like yellow
Mm.
color. Yellow I'm taking. Text color I'm taking as red.
Yep.
Just sorry. Refresh. Okay, fine. Next, we have got some tags, right? Yes. Hmm. Next, I got some tag called strike, STRIK, strike tag. Strike. I got a tag called subscript, superscript, right? SUB and SUP. Subscript and superscript. For striking, for example, a sentence. For striking a sentence, word for striking a sentence or a word or a character. Subscript. For subscript. For striking a sentence or a word or a character. For subscript, and this for superscript. Yes, subscript and superscript, just understand this one. Okay. H2. I've given H2, right? Yes. Python. Offer price. $20,000, you strike it, slash strike, and beside that, say 10,000. Slash H1, slash H2. Check it, refresh it. Python offer price for the summer, 20,000 it is strike, and the same 10,000. This kind of strike. Yes.
Sir, what is the use of strike?
So it is strike, right?
Yes.
For that strike and use some other. Actually, the price of Python was 20,000. It was given to 10,000. Just right. Anything if you want to the data to be striked, right? You can use strike tag. And H, say for example, subscript. Subscript means subscript and supercase. For example, H2O. H2O means 2 should come. So for H display as it is. But for the H, there should be a subscript for H. So sub tag, subscript tag for H, and close the subscript tag. Only for H I want, right? Slash sub. for subscription, right? Yes. H. For H, I want subscript. What subscript you want? SUB, right? Subscript. I want to do as the subscript. Slash SUB, right? Yes. H2O is the chemical name of water. H2O is the chemical name of water. Next, there is substance series H2O. See the output works, right? In this way, H2O is the chemical name of water. So what this is what the subscript, right? Now I want superscript. I want some superscript, right? Yes. H2, right? H2 is little smaller heading. H1 is the biggest heading. H2. I want some pi r square. Pi into r square. Superscript SUP like pi r square slash SUP, right? Yes. Is the area H2, right? H. Pi r square is the area of circle. Pi r square is the area of the circle, right? Pi r square is the area of the circle. Now, next is like mark here. MARQUEE. Displaying the text in scrolling form, right? Displaying the text in scrolling form. Okay, for example, For example, H2, right? New DJANGO batch, for example, right? H2. New DJANGO batch is starting from today. Just I will keep everything within this mark. Mark slash mark. Mark and slash mark. And refresh, right? Yes, refresh. So you can see the text appearing in scrolling form.
If you want to forward, I think it is backward.
Okay, direction is there, right? Okay, just if you want to go, it has got some attributes like okay. If you want to go forward side from, so here you can say mark direction equal to right. Direction equal to right. In this way, right? Direction. It will direction you want. We can also give background color for this marquee. Height and 1 second, just check this height. Direction right. Height equal to 100 or height equal to 200, height is 200. BG color equal to green. Direction equal to right, height is 200, BG color is green. Just to go and refresh it right now. No, don't say this. Height is 100, you say.
You go to one.
BG color say some other color, right? Pink. I'm decreasing the height, right? Decreasing the height to 50. Decreasing the height to 50. Okay, fine, in this way.
Sir, after this class, will you share this source file?
Yes, yes, this file I'll forward you, right? This one, 1 second. So this everything, right? What is HTML, hypertext markup, blank text in writing, head tag, body tag, and here body headings. I'm also giving that example, right? It's HTML body, this example. And here within this headings, this also example, right? Body tag, paragraph tag, H3 tag, strike for this strike also, right? Yes. Mark displaying the text in scrolling form.
Sir, I have one query, sir, here. So using the mark queue, can you provide the some timings? Suppose today we have started the class, so tomorrow I want to disappear that one.
No, you can also, you can see in the websites, you will be seeing, right?
Yeah. Particular day only it is working, but tomorrow also automatically. I
No,
mean, suppose
Oh.
tomorrow onwards it will start like that only that day.
no. You should write application for it. This is only for
Okay.
static. This
Okay.
HTML is only for static, right? For
Okay.
dynamism, anything, we need to develop application.
Okay. I think it's JavaScript. Okay, sir. Okay, got it.
Fine. Okay.
Sir, one more thing, for the marquee, when I'm giving the size 50, the text cuts from the bottom. Basically, alignment is on the bottom side in my case.
For this marquee direction, right? Align also you can, you right where you want to align. Top, bottom, middle, left, right. Align equal to align.
Sir, in your case, it is at the upside, and in my case, it is at the bottom side. Why is that the case?
You can use some alignments. Align, there is one more, align equal to middle, you can say. Align equal to middle, ALIGN. You give that, right? So we have got some attributes. I didn't discuss the attributes for the marquee, right? Align is there, behavior is there, loop, some background color, height, width, everything you can apply. I'll be discussing it, right? And in HTML, I'll be discussing, right? How now tables, I want to display the tables, customer data, or employee data, or student data to be displayed, organized on the web page. Presenting your data on the web page, that is for HTML, right? And I want some images to be displayed on the web page. I want some videos or audios to be displayed on the web page. I want some forms to be displayed. I want some frames to be displayed on the web page. That is what I'll be discussing, right? Yes. Okay. Using it and later using CSS, I want some borders to be applied. I want some colors, different types of borders to be applied. CSS cascading style sheets, I'll apply some colors, font, all this I can apply, right? Yes.
Sir,
Some
you will teach deployment also there, sir, in this?
development, up to development, right?
No, sir, I'm
Well,
asking.
I'm asking that, I am saying that, right? Up to development process.
Okay, deployment will not be
No.
covered.
No. So developing these applications, right? Everything, all that different web applications, right? Okay, we'll continue more in the tomorrow session. Tomorrow I'll be discussing about HTML common tags, right? So for tomorrow, the link will be changing, right? If anyone has not enrolled, try to get enrolled for getting the link for tomorrow. So we work with the HTML basic tags. After that, tomorrow I'll be discussing. Next Saturday also I'll be discussing that. And next I'll go with cascading style sheet on next, mostly on next Sunday, right?
Sir, could you show me some, do you have any idea about the project, sir? Yes, e-commerce project you will teach only.
Mukesh, right? If you're interested, you join the course. Otherwise, every time you are asking the same thing. Last time I showed you the code of the project, right? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, no, that's I'm asking, sir. E-commerce project you will teach, right?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay, that's fine.
So last time I showed you the project code. I said I'll be discussing 15 to 20 applications. I showed, right, the previous batches, nearly like 15 to 20 applications. I will see this 1 second. batches, right? Yes. So see my project 1, project 2, project 3, project 4, nearly like more than 20, I'll be discussing nearly 15 to 20, I said, but more than 20, and the Django project. And finally, one project will be discussed, right? Okay, so tomorrow we'll start at 7, right? Same time, 7:30. Yes, to see more on this. But the link will be changing tomorrow. So just those who already got enrolled, those who have enrolled for full stack, you will be getting the link to your mail IDs. Yes. The others get enrolled for this course, right? I'm stopping for now. We'll continue tomorrow.
సార్ మేము పైథాన్ తోనే కట్టేస్తున్నాం సార్ మనీ
Pardon?
పైథాన్ తోనే 10,000 ఒకేసారి కట్టేస్తాను సార్ నేను.
Yes, yes. Those who already got enrolled for full stack, if you already paid 10,000, you can just, you'll be getting that link. Yes.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్.
By today evening, right? If you have not got the link,
What about the WhatsApp group, sir, for it?
WhatsApp group will be created tomorrow.
Sir, we just want the notes of Python class
Yeah,
of
yeah, I'll
8
forward.
p.m., 7 p.m.
Yes.
batch.
Yes, yes, yes. I'll forward it, right?
Please, sir.
Today I'll
Please, sir.
forward, today afternoon. Yeah, fine.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay.